Yeah, we'll see. Excuse me. All right. 9-6. Okay. Excuse me. If my signal is a little weird at times, it's literally because it's 0 degrees outside, and yeah, it's cold as hell outside. So just stick with me here. All right, let's do this one. Add 0, 0 zeros. 3. See what happens here. We're gonna find a new template to trade here, and then we'll let it cook as we go throughout the day. Been an interesting process here, but got some things that we're working on. 9-3, no, that's not good. Okay, so here, the best one here. All right, let's get rid of this one. Add, we'll go 0. This is so stupid. Let's go no invert and see what happens. I don't think it's gonna be very good. Let's see. Pretty solid. Okay, cool. We'll build off of this one then. Mark it down. Oh, 2.5. That's even. That's interesting. All right.
Order canceled.
Well, that was crazy. All right, I know why that is the case. Because I've got like 5 strategies going at once. Damn it. Let's go. Remove and apply. Okay, that should just give us this one. Now we would have gone long off of this one, which would have made us some money, but we had like 2 contradictory strategies, so that makes sense. All right, there's our back test. That's fine. Ton of trades, 50% win rate. Okay, I'm cool with that. Let's go here. All right, strategy. Let's do some updating here. What's this one? 2, 10, 0, 10, 0. This one's 5. What if I do that? What happens?
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, we're in a long right here.
Order canceled.
Nice. I'll take that. That's how that should work. Let's see. We'll keep playing with this then here. Let's see. Break even at 2.5 is fascinating to me. What if I move that? And partial take profit is going to be 0, 5. Break even at 2.5 is just fascinating to me. I'm not sure why that works as well as it does. What if I move that to just 2? Enable. Worse. So move it up. Come on, baby. Let's see.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Nice, we're battling back. We were just down 600 bucks, and now we're down $65. So that's good. That was nice. We have to essentially shift the way we think about this stuff, and I'm figuring it out. It's just taking me a little bit longer than I'd like. Yo, dealer, what's good? What's going on? What's good? Hope all is well with you, my friend. All right, let's keep going here. We obviously have the right formula here, so we got to keep mining on it. Okay, so 2.5 works. Okay, hit apply. Ten, 0. Hmm, 0. You start at 5 and you trail by 5. What's that? Let's find out. Krishna, good morning. That stinks. Okay.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay.
Order canceled.
All right. Down 138. Okay. So we have a really tight stop here. Really, really tight stop. Okay. That's fine. Remove it. Add. Need like a clock or something to see what's going on here. Let's find out if I can get one here. Clock. What's good, Ron? It's been a process. I got some cooler things working in the background that I'm excited about. So hopefully we'll have some updates next week. But let's see what we can do with this strategy here so far. See what we got. If we don't get to trade this next candle, then I'll go and edit the settings again. Let's see.
Order submit. Order canceled.
That was fast. Okay. That was really quick. And oh my God, my wins are so large because I have double the trade. Okay. My wins and losses are crazy sized right now. All right, so that one doesn't work as well either. No new trade just yet. Okay. All right. Okay, it's a little better. Fuck, does that work? It's a little better. Like barely. Okay. Nice. Okay, so that helped. Okay, so move that to 4.
Order submitted.
What? Look how close we were to our stop. Oh, wow. Let's see. 380, 420, good. 460. Come on, get there. Other question is, why is my stop not working? Okay, we touched 5. Come on. Oh, wow. We're gonna get our stop hit here and I'm gonna be upset. Come on, drop down, let's go. What an intense trade, because we almost had profit twice.
Order
Oh,
canceled.
okay. Holy shit. Okay. That really bothered me. Wow. Because we were close. I don't know why my stop didn't work. What the hell? All right. We'll have to play with that. Okay. Okay. Four is the key. Okay. Well, that stunk, didn't it? All right. Here's going to be 4. Make this 15. Now we're in some of these trades with 4 contracts because I have 2 strategies at the same time that both have 2 contracts. And so that's why these wins and losses look ridiculously large. So I forget what I was at before. 1.2, is that still good? I think it's a little bit less than the other one. It is better. Okay. So larger take profit works. Okay. I cannot believe we lost that trade. Like, just can't believe it. We were so close. I should have closed it out. I'm not. I mean, integrity and everything, but like, you know, right there. All right. I see what we got here. So let's do this one then. How much does 1 point actually matter is the question. Stop loss is going to be, yo, Ramy, what's going on? Stop loss is going to be 4. Let's see. Testing some different settings here to see if we have the right, we can get the right lineup. What I think is going to have to be the case, as with a lot of these back tests, is wins are going to be small, or losses are going to be small. Wins are going to be double, triple the size, ideally. So let's see. Still same result. Actually, a little worse. Okay. We should get another trade here. Excuse me, jeez.
Order submitted.
Okay, long trade here.
Order canceled.
That was fast. We made 300 bucks on that. So my break even did want to work. Okay. All right. Okay. I haven't tried this one yet. 4. Same. Add. All right, look up here. It's going to be 4, 15, 0. Or what if we did that though? What if we made this like 7? Let's find out. Cali Sunshine, what's going on? What's going on, my friend? See if we have a new trade here first. And we'll look at the back test. OG, what's going on, my friend? What's going on? Let's see. I'll explain some of these results here in a little bit as we continue to test through it, but I think I'm figuring out what I need to go here. If we don't get a new trade this candle, we'll keep going. Let's see. Okay. No new trade there. So the answer to that is no. Hmm. Let's see if we start getting another short here. See what we got. No, okay. All right. What does that do? Let's see. Ideally, I want my trail. We should be getting a new trade here in the next candle or two. Let's see if we get one here.
Order submitted.
Okay, short. Good. Wow.
Order
Wow.
canceled.
That was crazy. That was cool. Okay. I bumped up my risk because I had 4 contracts on, so now we're up $1,000 in this account. That was kind of cool. Okay, so that was a fat ass trade. That was cool. But let's see the results here. Okay. So I got to give it more room or less room. That was nice. Dropped like a rock. Might have another trade here. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Not bad. Two and let's try that. Wait for another candle here and then we'll keep going. No trade here yet. Okay. Let's see. Two. Okay, fair enough. So let's go back and figure this one out. But it makes less money. How is that the case? Okay, I'll keep it in mind. All right, so 2 versions that are good. 4, 15, 0. And I also have this one. 4, 15. Stop loss. Trail. Stop. All right, let's mine on this one then. No new trade just yet. Let's go here. Let's try it out. We're gonna get a new trade here. There's gonna be a ton of contracts too, I think. Oh well. Live and die. Nope. All right, never mind. Maybe this coming candle. All right, historical. Okay, 2.1, 2.1. Huh. All right. Let's go. So 2. We'll just bump it up. Let's see. if we do get a trade while I'm testing this out, we're going to have like 10 contracts on. So that'll be too many. That's fine. All right. Let's get all these off first. So you are the best. Move. Template. Save as default. You sure? Yes, I am. Okay. Now we have our regular size trade if we get one right now. All right. So a ton of trades, which is good. Let's keep going though. Let's see if we can get this thing a little bit better. All right, so Callie, how's the bot been? Robin said, how'd it do today? It's going okay. It's going okay. 2-2, that's a little better. A little less profit, but good across the board. All right. I'm with that. Sharp ratio is pretty nice. Good. I'm wondering if I can, all right, so this is our best version just yet. Template it, save it. Get rid of you. All right. This is our best version so far. Essentially, I'm going away from highest win rate and going into trying to get the most profitable strategy. So leaning more towards profit factor. And so to do that, I have to basically increase the size of the wins and make sure the losses are really small, which is kind of what I wanted to get to in the first place, or get to this anyway. But so it's really going to dramatically decrease our win rate, but it should increase our profitability overall, which is more important. Let's see. 2-3, nice. Okay. Nice. So biggest win. Okay, so that helps. All right, so let's go and do that again. All right, so remove and template out and save it. Yep. Okay. Okay.
Order submitted.
Okay. Short trade here. Stop might get touched here. Let's see. Nice. Okay. If we get price, okay.
Order canceled.
All right. So you guys can kind of see some of the malfunctioning. So we were up a ton in this trade and then it pulled all the way back, and then we ended up losing the trade. So this is something that I'm trying to get worked on, but it's just gonna take a little bit of time. Is we were using limit orders for this for our trailing stops, but we probably should just be using market orders because sometimes our limits don't get filled. And so we were up, I don't know, 400 bucks in that trade. We ended up losing the trade because we didn't hit our trail got hit, but it didn't execute the trade. So I need to fix that really quick. It won't be a today fix, but you see. All right. That really sucks because we had a really nice trade set up here and it just didn't execute for us. Um, that sucks. All right, so make sure we apply that only. And then we can add another. I'm wondering if we do like this, 25.
Order submitted.
Okay, new trade here, short. Let's see. Yes, our stop's right here. Probably gonna get hit.
Order canceled.
Yeah. Trading back down. It's fine. Really, really tight stops here. I think these have to be the same number. That's better, but still worse, but better. Keep it going here. We're close. Closing in. All right, so 2 and 1.5. So that has to be smaller. I'm learning. Let's get rid of you. So 1. Probably get another trade here in a second.
Order submitted.
Our trail should have worked again, and it didn't. I'll close it out manually here.
Order filled.
I don't even know if we made money on that. My trails are not working properly, and I got to figure out why because we were up 400 bucks, and it didn't close out. Like it went negative a couple times. So this is going to be the wow. Okay, that's much better. There we go. Okay, so we would go and do what? I see you, but you're not working properly. Two, five, one. Okay. Got it. Probably get a new trade here. This sucks because we had a trade that we end up like closing out for a loss or a small win or whatever that was. And we had a chance to be in this thing and make way more money than we did. So I don't know how to solve this in real time. It'll just be an update we'll have to wait for, but motherfucker. You're close. All right. But good stuff here. You guys can see that's like the second trade in a row where we've been up $400 or $500 and it didn't close out, but we were up $400 or $500. So a lot to be happy with on that end of things. And the way this will have to work probably is these are going to have to be market orders, which means that you'll see profit and then you'll close out and have a different profit, which happens at times. So we'll have to kind of see how that works out. But that should be an update that I already had, but it isn't. So okay, let's go back to what I was looking at before. Add another one. And this is my best one so far. So actually, let's do this. 0.25 and then 1.5. Oh, and 1. That's right. Sorry. Let's try this out. Tell you what, though, the market's giving us some really nice moves. I'll take that all day. How does this look? 4.7, even better. Good, good. Sharp ratio's nice. Good. I'm learning, ladies and gents. I am learning. It's just using Ninja is just such it's a new platform and they calculate their trades differently, probably a bit more accurate. And so you just have to figure out like the the way to get some of these things moved. Let's template this one out. Best. See what's the volume over. And then we're gonna get rid of all these other ones. Move. Okay. So apply. Okay, here. All right. And then we'll go. I'll make this like 2. Make this. Let's see. I wonder if Okay, we're gonna get a new trade here. Probably a long. Let's see. No, no new trade. Okay. While we wait for that, let's do this. 3-9. I don't love that. Probably getting a new trade here. Let's see. Should at least. I thought we were going to, but maybe not. Let's see. No new trade. Why do you believe this is the way to profitability? Have you done it before? Great Dane. Rye, you asked. Rye, I haven't officially released it, so the name is just the name that I stick with. I really haven't thought about it too much, honestly. Um, yeah, I don't really think too much about the name. I just kind of do my thing. Um, so let's see. Okay. How do I want to handle this? See if we get a new trade here. Should, as long as this one closes as low as it is. See what we got. See if we can break that low. If we do, we have a chance. Do something special here. The 5 points of pullback might be too tight.
Order
So
submitted.
let's see. Yeah, we're gonna get touched here.
Order canceled.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, 5 points was a little too tight for what I think we needed here. Yeah, too tight. That's fine. 1.75. Does that work? Oh, that sucks. Price is really flying. We just didn't give it enough room. Hate to see that. Hate to see that, huh? 4-1. That's at 4-7 before, so no. Damn. That really stinks. Yeah, we're not getting a trade off that. No way. Let's see what we got. Decent. we get a new trade, it should be a long off of this. Now let's see if we have enough room to. Looks like price is sliding quite a bit, but we should be okay. Let's see. Nope, no trade yet. All right. Four. This is the most profitable I think I've seen it, but the other one's more profitable money-wise, but not profit factor-wise. Sharp ratio at 9.2 versus 9th. How is this one not more profitable? It's bizarre. Let's keep going here. Okay, so we're kind of splitting hairs here. All right. Let's find out. We got Benu. Maybe, my friend. If we get consistent results with it, then yeah. If not, then no. So we're just testing it out right now. We got to see if this thing is going to be worth using. No, it sucks. Okay. All right. Let's get rid of all these. All right. So you're the best. Everything else can go. Hit apply. Okay. 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 So the reason we have to test everything is I thought I had really good results in TradingView, and I did, but once we got to NinjaTrader, the results really changed. And so now I have to reconfigure this bad boy to make it profitable on this platform, which just could be kind of tough. So let's do that again. Make it 2 though. Or fuck it, make it 5. So we will see, my friend. We will see. Once we find a couple settings that we like, we're just going to pound on that and just continue to let it run. 3, 4. Nope. Okay. All right. This thing is so touchy. So we have this, and then next week I think I have something I could show you guys as well. We'll kind of have 2 things cooking at once, but we'll talk about that when we get there. Might have something cooler for us. Yeah, we'll see. And who knows? We might have to shelve this thing and just kind of put it away for a while until I can get it back to where it needs to be, or just get it closer to where it needs to be. We'll see. I haven't really decided yet. Once we get some consistent results, a couple days in a row, then we can maybe look at it and get the long-term back tested results improved as well. We'll see, but I don't know right now. I'm not sure. At this point, I'm probably closer to shelving it than I am releasing it, but that could change. I don't know what I did, but it didn't do me poorly. What if I do this? 8, 8, damn. All right. About 4. Okay, we should get a new trade here.
Order submitted.
Yep.
Order canceled.
Okay, long
Order
position here.
order canceled.
Okay. So that brought us back a little bit, which is good. That was a weird one. 4-7. Is that right? 4-5. Make it 3 then. The reason I have so many contracts is because I have multiple strategies on the same same thing. So that's why. It looks crazy at times because they have so many. Nope. Okay. What happens if I do that? No, fuck it. Make it 10. Whatever. Let's see. Let's see here. If I throw a partial in there.
Order canceled.
That was fast. I don't even know what happened. We lost money on that. We lost commissions on that, I think. That was quick. Make that 5. Enable, let's see. The way this version sets up is it's going to have a lot more losses, but when we have wins, we should have massive wins. And so, or at least sizable wins. I don't know what you consider massive. That's much better. Okay, Sharpe ratio is at 9.1 though, but that's fine. I'll take profit factor up 5.5. Let's take that. Okay, so that's a much better version. Let's go here. Okay, so okay. Ooh, almost another trade here. Almost. Let's do this one. Just do 7.5. Give a fuck. Might get another new trade here. Let's see. You should.
Order canceled.
How would we be?
Order filled.
All right, there's $200 on that. So we had too many. That was really fast. So probably not enough room, but okay. Okay. That was fast. 4-6. On other days, I would take that, but not today, buddy. Template it out and say best. See, we got. Yeah, we're gonna see. Let's see. Great Dane. Why do you believe this is the best way profitability? Done before. Great Dane. Once you get a bot and you get it rolling and it's making money, or it's winning consistent trades, you quickly realize that it's a lot easier for it to do the job than you. So, do I believe is the best path? Probably. Anything that requires you to do nothing, yet still can replicate your results, if not improve them, is always going to be a much better strategy. I think that's kind of without question. Oh shit. I think the real challenge here is getting these results over a longer period of time. Um, so, we're gonna have to see. I think gonna have to see. There's some structural things that have to change. For example, I need those stop orders, or those limit orders to be like stops, as in market orders. The reason I need that is I need a guaranteed fill. Um, five.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, so all of a sudden,
Order filled.
how is that the case? Okay, we're at $500 here. That was quick. Um, okay, you guys kind of saw I had to close that trade out manually. The reason for that is I get a bunch of limit orders. Some get filled, some don't, and then the ones that don't get filled, they're sells, but they're supposed to be sells to offset the buys. And so what happens is the trades get executed, and then these limit orders are still full, like they're still out there. Price hits it, and now I'm in a short position. So really interesting here. I don't really know how to adjust for that other than trying to make those market orders. So 64% win rate is fine. I'm cool with that. I'm really concerned about this. So this has been our most profitable day so far. I mean, we could see we'll see where it takes us. But so far, best profitable, or not, I don't think it's not the most profitable, but it's up there for one of the best. So let's see. No new trade. Okay. All right. No, watch out. Let's do. That's sorry. That wouldn't work better. I guess 4 would work better then. So we had a couple trades here that were losses that should have been wins as well. So our profit should be a lot higher than it is today. But we don't have the right structure so that we can't execute those trades. We don't deserve those wins because we're not able to get them. Okay, so that doesn't work either. All right. Rid of you. Rid of you. Apply. Okay, we should just have 2 contracts now for any trade that happens. Okay. Really? No order yet? Okay. Let's wait. Looks like if this candle closes lower than this level down right here, then we'll have ourselves a nice little short. Okay. Looking good so far. Let's see if we can continue this move down here. We'll have some money on the line on this one, I think. Was I tricked by my own bot? What the hell? All right. Why were we not in a short? What the fuck? Pissing me off, buddy. I'll work on you, but you're pissing me off. We should have been in a short for this one. I don't know why we weren't. But now we're going to get one, I think, which would be the wrong time, but oh well. Why are we not taking these trades? What is the issue? Huh. All right. More time to test then. Um, 5-3. Okay. Waiting around here. Benu said, honest reply. Yeah. So at the end of the day, like, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. And I personally would really like. Let's see. Personally, would like to see a lot of profit from this thing. But if it can't deliver, then it just can't deliver, and like that's okay too, to admit. Then we can just move on and do something a little different. To which I have a solution for you guys. I think you're gonna like it better than maybe this, but we'll just have to wait and make sure that it comes out properly. Um, let's see if we get a new trade here. Just need to close below that.
Or
There we go.
order canceled. Order filled.
I don't even know what just happened. Did my win rate go up or down? This shit was so fast. TradeAway doesn't even want to load. We'll look at the P&L later, but we're up 991 for today. This is our best day so far. We'll see. What is happening is I have too many orders getting filled, and it's leading to I have too many limit orders standing out there. They don't all close fast enough, and so it's turning into basically the opposite position being opened at the same time. So we got to work on that, don't we? Like these are the small things that. Okay. These are the small things that you don't know until you see it, and then once you see it, you know you can correct it. Okay. So we've tested about everything. 5-6. Okay. Sharp ratio goes down.
Order submitted.
Oh shit. Okay. We are in a short position here. Stop.
Order canceled.
For sure. Okay. I don't mind that. So if we have losses of $200, I'm okay with that. The goal would be to have wins at least sitting at 300 or more. Let me show you guys that. So average win. Here is this is what we 200 trades a day. Good God. I mean, if this thing works, works. So average winning trades about $91. Our losing trades losing trades are at 100, which is fine. I'll take that. 200 trades a day, and every time we take a trade, it's about $18. So here's what the math would look like on this setup specifically. So we would be from the 16th to today, which is 4 days. Well, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and today we'd be up about 15,000 or so. Yeah. So pretty good, and I like this version a lot, but we don't win a lot of trades. 63, 59, 54, 57, 52. Like we don't win a ton of our trades. We win about half, maybe a little lower than that at times. But the idea would be that we would just have a maximum number of trades, and those trades that we win are going to have nice profit. So let's get rid of you and replace it with, how about you? Let's do one right there. Okay. So we'll continue to mine through it. Again, if it works, then like great. If it doesn't work, then it just doesn't. And honestly, like we'll see. As again, I think next week I'm gonna have something I can show you guys that I think are gonna like.
Order submitted.
Okay, let's go here.
Order canceled. Order filled.
What the hell? All right, we have to keep an eye on that. Yeah, so I do think we've got something that you guys will really enjoy, but I'll release those details when I am ready to release them. We'll probably demo it on Thursday of next week. It'll be next week. I think we'll have it done. So but that will be its own separate thing. And we'll look at it when we get it. But we'll see. If I can get this bot to work, then like cool. I'll get it. I'll let it run. But if I can't, then like I just can't. You know. Let's see. All right. Learn to build them on Strat Builder. Nah. Let's see. Appreciate your fine-tuning your product, make it live. Shows you're not looking for a quick buck off of us. Yeah, right. None of that. None of that, Ryan, my friend. None of that. Ultimately, like to tell you guys the truth, the most money I'll ever make is trading my own cash, like trading my own money. So it would benefit me more than you guys to actually make this really good. Because if I make it shitty and then you guys buy it and I use it and it sucks, then I'm gonna lose a ton of money. So this doesn't compute to me. It doesn't make any sense. So we have one major update for this one, I think, and that's just going to be making this use market orders to exit. Shit, wrong one. Instead of limit orders to exit, the trails at least. 5.2. Performance on here, analysis. So this little equity curve I like a lot. Very smooth, very nice. We don't win by winning a ton of trades, although that does happen. We win by basically taking a ton of trades. Like that's really the goal here. So winning about $100 a trade, $70 a trade, fine. Like cool. And our account will grow as time goes on. Like that's the target with this updated strategy. So we'll give it space and let it run, but I just wonder why that's the case there on that. All right, let's update it and we'll let it go. Anyway, this will be more of a high volume trading strategy if it works out and we get consistent returns with it. So right now it's kind of jank, it's kind of broken, but that won't be the case for forever. So no code needed, trader goaded, because I don't really care to get like proficient and amazing with NinjaTrader. It's just a means to an end. This strategy works very well. As a matter of fact, I know it works so well I'm building something else on top of it. I just can't get my executions on Ninja to match what I was getting on TradingView. But that's okay because got something else on its way. I'll show you guys that. When we get there, we get there. About time. We get there when we get there. The other thing is going to be manual trading though. So it'll be different, but I think it'll match what you guys want to do. I don't know how I'd roll it out yet, but when we get it back, we'll get it back. So. But again, our goal here is to just make as much money as possible as we possibly can trading these markets. That is it. That is it. All we want to do is make a maximum number of dollars. Does anybody know how to change and add the wicks to this stupid thing? It just is bothering me that I can't do it on this. It's driving me nuts. Same thing. Okay, oops. I need to do like did it before, I forgot how I did it. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's over here, I think. There we go. Will you let me edit the thing? Like, what are we doing? Give me the hollow boys. All right, can I edit these? I know there's a way to, like, when you set this up for it to do that, but it's not. Okay, no real trades when we're consolidating. Okay. Data series, bet. Let's look at it. Yes, thank you, Trader Gooded. Thank you, my friend. Get these weak ass candles off my chart. I knew you could do it on the chart. I know I fumbled around and found it somewhere, but I didn't remember where. Now I know. Thank you, sir. Much better. Okay, cool. Appreciate you, my friend. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm gonna throw some more resources at this thing, and we are going to see kind of what sticks. Um, Trader Gooded, why would I turn on Chart Trader? Let me know why I would do that. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see. I've got again 2 projects that I'm excited about. This one being one of them. The other one being built. We'll see. We'll see. Ultimately, it's what's going to give all of us the most repeatable success. So, like, how can we potentially make as much money as we possibly can and consistently? Like, doing it once is cool, but doing it like every day, we say. If the other strategy works out, then it would be built for prop firms. If the other strategy works out, we could all trade prop firms with it. If this one works out, no prop firms. So maybe you guys have a secret wish. You don't have to say it, but whichever way. Personally, I do not care. because I think prop firms are cool and they're great and they're fantastic. But like they're just another means to an end. I wonder if but that the other strategy also would not require you to have to do much legwork either. So it'll just be different. I'm really pumped about that one. We won't have it for another probably next week at this time. We will have maybe something to look at. Maybe we will certainly see. I see. I see. Right now, Trader Goated, I really just want to make sure that it enters trades and that it exits properly. So I don't really need to see it on here, although I can see some of these trades, but I really just want to see it on a trade event here. I really don't care for much else. I know that I have bugs to fix anyway, and so um, I'll let that be. It's going to be a minute before we get another trade here if this keeps going like this. PX to 5. What is PX? Yeah, what does PX mean? Say data series? Is that what you said? I might have misread what you said. What does that do? What if I don't want auto scale? How do I move this thing? Forget that. How do I move this bad boy? Center price on scale, I don't want that. I want to be able to move this thing, but not allow me to. Dot .px. Let's see. Where do you see strategy? Data series, visual. I'm not seeing strategy. Or are you saying go to up here and change PX to 5? I'm not seeing anything. We'll worry about it another time. Oh. Boss, we'll do another time. That's not a big deal. We'll do another time. I appreciate your help though. But we get there. We get there and we get there. Get there when we get there. Okay, we'll just need price to move a little bit more before we get ourselves another trade here. So let's see. Ah. Okay, we got price moving a little bit here. It's nice. Let's see. Okay, we're up about $1,000 today. We can look at our data here in a second. Good. Okay, why are we not getting trades? This happened yesterday too. Um, Motherfucker, I knew you weren't. I knew you weren't working well. I knew we should have had at least a trade off of this one. At least. Killing me. Essentially. Now we gotta wait even longer for a new trade. But maybe not too long. Potentially this trade right here. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Nice to have a decent little squad here. Again, we're getting there. We are getting there. A whole lot is being worked on. Sometimes it just looks like nothing's happening, but it is. Promise that. We should get another trade here. Holy cow. Why are you not taking trades? Is the real question. We'll wait, be patient, but okay. Wait, okay, it says, does it not say that we would take a full? What's up with that? Come on. Yeah, that's what it looks like to me too. Trader Go did same thing, but it shouldn't be. That shouldn't be the case though. Let's see. So it would be short. I mean, but this would be too many points. So I don't know what that would. Why that would be the case. Yeah, my stop's only 5 points, so it shouldn't be, and that's like 20 points. Weird though. Actually, ac- actually that it so so we go short here off this candle, no problem. Stop is up here, I think, which is a few points higher. Trade goes into profit by what appears to be, let's see, 28. So right there. So we, it looks like we would have hit almost our full take profit. It's like our full take profit is like down here, I think. Next candle runs down a little bit, rolls right back up. We hit our stop. So this would be one of those trades where we would have to somehow our limits are not getting recognized. But this would actually be a wonderful example of what I was talking about that needs to be adjusted. Is fantastic trade, amazing trade. Like this would be one of those where we capture, max profit. Because we don't exit, the trade stays open, it rolls back up, and then it hits our stop loss. So really interesting there. I need to double check. Need to double check that. Let's see. See if we get a trade here. If we don't get a trade here, then I know that this thing is not trying to trade for whatever reason. Come on, baby. Let's go.
Order submitted.
Good. Long position here. Probably gonna get stopped
Order
out
canceled.
pretty quick. Thousands. We lost $250. Not bad. Not bad. I'll take that all day. So that's a positive versus yesterday being, losing $1,000. I'm okay with that. Very much okay with that. Okay. All right. Let's see if we get another one here. All right. What do we have in store here? Come on. Okay, potentially a new trade. Let's see. Yeah, good. Why are you like not taking trades? Are we really going to use that one? Okay. Huh. All right. Okay, so no trade here, no trade there. That's lame. Let's look at our stats for today, if we have them. 62% win rate is fine. 78 trades is a lot. Profitable, good. This is kind of what I envision this thing being, is something like this. Ideally, we don't have as many losses, but um, we should have a growing account as time goes on, as trades go on. We should have a growing account. This is nuts to me. Average trade time being 10 seconds. That's very fast. Largest win being 600. I don't know how they got that. I thought we had one for 1700. We'll look at that. I don't know. That's weird. Largest loss being 230. So this I do like. I like that. I like the difference there. Um, being almost 3. That's great. Average winning trade, average losing trade, it's fine. So we're going to win on the margins with some of these. But okay. We expect about 18 bucks per trade that lands. So I'm cool with that. So these stats aren't bad. They're not bad. I don't know. The more and more I look at this thing, we're going to see. We're going to see. Because either way it goes, we still have to make sure that we have some sort of machine learning to improve it, like day after day. So, or week after week or whatever. All right, I'll be right back. Let's see if we get a new trade here while I'm away. Let's go. All right, looks like no new trades. Fill it at least. Could get one here though. All right, it's not my eye, I feel like. My bad. No doubt, no doubt. We'll keep that in mind. We'll keep that in mind. Let's see what we got here.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're short 2 here. See if our stop gets touched or if we can roll down for some profit. Let's see what we got. Okay, good.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Okay, good. 100 bucks on that, or 50 bucks on that, I think. I'm remember exactly. 60 bucks on that, something like that. Good trade. That was fine. That one we were able to get out of without having too much of a hassle, so that's good. But those limit orders are killing. They are killing our ability to get out of these trades without opening new ones. No new trade here. Okay. What are the signals for the trade? My stop is 43 for a short or for a long. Dane. I feel like something's just in my eye. It's like unbelievable. You're in a short. My signals are price action. 100% price action and nothing else. But the reason I use a trailing stop is because there are trades that do go in your favor and then eventually reverse back. And so you want to be able to get out of trades that do start out well and end poorly. The other thing is that you want to be able to ride trades a little bit longer. So this would be one where definitely happy we're out of this trade because it went profitable for a little bit, got out, fine. If this thing were to keep going down, then we'll just take another short. But we'll see. But price action is looking interesting right now. Hopefully we continue to go down, but if we don't, we don't. We shall see. Yeah, I cannot explain what is going on with my right eye. It just feels like I've got something in it, but there's nothing in it. So okay, 850 for today. Cool with that. Yo, Garrett, what's going on? South Africa, nice. 43. Dane, did your stop get hit here? Solid, Garrett, solid day. Could be better. Could be better. Yeah, this candle's crazy right here. This is nuts. Like this is, yeah, it's hard to anticipate. I don't know what happened at for Newswise or if someone's speaking or today's Thursday, so it's Fed talk. I don't know. I don't even know what the news is. Um, holy shit! My fucking eyes are looking. Wait, oil? I guess is that what that was? Like that fucking matters. All right. Anyway. Okay. All right. I trade big. Yeah, no doubt. Nothing wrong with trading big. It is definitely different than the way I like to trade, but nothing wrong with it at all. At all. At all. It is just a different strategy than the way I like to. Let's see what we got here. I feel like we should just be in a long right here, you know? Really do. Like we should have been in a long and got out at the same time. Uh, but Dan, yeah, I can. Yeah, it can be. It can be used for anything. Um, I don't consider big as what asset you trade. I consider big as how many points you go for. Um, I'm not really into the 20-point moves. Those are much more difficult to grab, especially as the day goes on. Um, but everyone is different, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. Just whatever works best for you. All right, trade time or no? I just have a feeling that we're going to get ourselves into a long here, and we're going to get a nice little pullback before we continue up. Why are we not in a long here? What is this? To fucking what open above that? Close above that? Okay, well, good thing we didn't get into a long. That's what I thought would happen. What happened? So we definitely got stopped out there. Yeah, Brian, that was when I traded with somebody else's money. Can always be better, but slowly getting how's Ninja is interesting, but solid. The exits are incredible, so they're great. It's great for that. It's good. It's good for exactly what I needed it for. Best way to put it. Why is this not an entry? Like this is bothering me. This should all be an entry. We shouldn't be calculating off new highs every time. Yeah, it was a good time. That was a good time. That was a great time. But those days are behind us. We yeah. I don't really talk about that much, but that was a fun time. I don't know about all that. I'm all right though. Better than most, but I don't know about the go. I would love if I got a nice little trade here. That'd be cool. Especially along off of this one. We had basically no drawdown. That was sick. Ugh. I'm gonna see if I can reconfigure some of our entries here. Not that I want a long off of every single one of these trades, because like obviously not all of these are gonna be good, but good. This one would have been a loss. Good. This one obviously would have been a win too. Good. I would love to capture that. I think I know. I think I know how to fix it, but see if we can get that updated by tomorrow as well. Damn, my eyes are killing me. I don't even know why. All right, let's see if we can get ourselves at least one more trade here before we're out of here. Let us see. If you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like the live stream. Subscribe if you're new. Okay. See, this I don't love. And I know why it's doing this, and I don't like it. It is. It's calculating the entries a little bit differently than I'd like it to. I don't know if that's a Ninja Trader like error, but I guess I could show you guys this on TradingView too, couldn't I? Let me show you. So on TradingView, like these would all be like long, 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 long. Like that's how I want this to work. These calculations are. This thing is different. Maybe that's kind of what it is. I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna get to the bottom of that, aren't we? Actually, let me go back and do that really quick. Just make sure that we have this documented properly. Cool. Good. No ATR, Ron. No ATR. No indicators. No nothing. No calculations. Greatest nothing. I'm curious if my automation could keep up with TradingView script traders post. It's too slow. Higher time frame, I have to reconfigure it, Ron. So for a higher time frame, and you guys have seen me reconfigure all day today, but like I just have to reconfigure so it doesn't like seamlessly jump over to higher time frames. It kind of just you pick one time frame, you adjust for that, and then from there you have to reset it if you want to do a different time frame. Creators nothing. Do you mean NinjaTrader? Not sure what you mean by TradingView script traders post. We had to move from TradingView to NinjaTrader for executions to be better. That was something we had to do. But damn, these should all be entries. Well, we'll get it right. That's what I prefer. Yeah. I just don't like being in trades a very long time. I've always been that way. Um, see some profit. Maybe I like it. Maybe I want to take it. Yeah, great. Nothing. You're right. Yeah. Ninja Trader is superior for automation for sure. It's clunky as shit, but it's definitely superior. Um, Magic killing still. But Ronnie, I just like the smaller moves. I think they're more predictable because it's very difficult to know if like this setup right here is going to go into a trend like this one did. Like it's hard to know the difference, you know? So I like to be kind of in and out. And if I need to take multiple trades, then I'll do that if I have to. Okay. Fees for this. Ron, what do you mean? Okay, ideally that'd be a new trade. I don't know why it's not, but that would be a new trade. Trading fees for Ninja or for Tradeovate, Ninja Trader, whatever. We can look at them. Do 80 divided by no, do like $3, $3 or so. Maybe 250, I think. Is what that is. Do 664 divided by 234, and that'll be your answer. Number of contracts, and then total commissions paid. Do that math. Whatever that is, that's the fee. Now I'm trading mostly 2 contracts. At times I've traded more than that, but I think it's $2.50 per contract. So yeah, $2.50 per. I think it's in and out too. I believe both sides. No, it'd be more. It'd be way more than that. If my fees are 664, 16K would be way higher, like way more. Unless you took like a large trade. If you took a huge trade, then your commissions would be way less. Like if you have one big ass trade, like then you'll just pay commissions in and out, which is you still pay it twice. All right, well, we don't have a whole lot going on here.